Hey YouTube, got the painting done on the bike. As you can see, I just quickly masked things up, wipe them down with wax and grease remover. Masked up, bits and pieces like the bracket and just add a bit of contrast. The terminals. I didn't want to get paint on the electrical stuff, but yeah, just sort of cut a hole in the thing, and then got another piece of newspaper wrapped around the rubber that I didn't want to get painted. And just quick and easy, just getting things done. You can quickly take it off so you can go for a test ride, get something else out of the way. So I just want to do this is basically what the pipes sound like, the Vance and Hines fake shots. So a little bit of choke. I'll let that warm up, take it for a ride and see how it goes with the new adjustment I just did. You have to take all the airbox off just to get at your pilot screw, so work. Thanks for watching.